The world has changed. Throughout the global COVID-19 pandemic, banks have played a vital role, supporting employees, enabling communities, and working with governments and regulators to keep economies moving. Trust has been at an all-time high, and maintaining this momentum means understanding where the future is headed. The challenges to navigate are apparent. Looming economic uncertainty, historically low interest rates, mounting liquidity and credit losses, along with greater regulatory scrutiny and remediation costs. Those who succeed are likely to generate new growth, build resilient operating models, drive innovative experiences, and sustain better ways of working. Success is powered by understanding the bigger picture. At KPMG, we have identified 6 macro trends driving the new reality. New distribution channels reconfigure the landscape. Digitization shakes up products and services. The shift to a digital economy accelerates. Cost priorities are reimagined. Automation enables growth without compromising resilience. Risk is rewritten across the spectrum, with cyber and third-party risk dominating. Long-term, mass-flexible working is here to stay, and there's a greater commitment to climate and society, which drives customer loyalty as values and purpose take centre stage. These trends are shaping banking in real time. To win the future, embrace them now.